Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to format text in Microsoft Word using bold, italics, underline, and other special effects. These tools are perfect for highlighting important content and making your document easier to read. Let's begin with bold. Bold text makes characters thicker and more noticeable, helping them stand out in a paragraph. To apply bold, first select the text you want to format. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the Bold button, which looks like a capital B. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on a Mac. Now let's move to italics. Italicized text tilts slightly to the right and is often used for emphasis, book titles, or foreign words. To apply italics, select your text, then click the Italic button in the Home tab, which is represented by a slanted I. The shortcut for italics is Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. Next, let's talk about underline. Underlining places a line beneath your text and can be used to emphasize key points. To underline text, select it, then click the Underline button in the Home tab, shown as a capital U with a line under it. You can also press Ctrl+U on Windows or Command+U on a Mac. Another useful effect is Strikethrough. This draws a line through the middle of your text, often used to show something is deleted or completed. To apply Strikethrough, select your text, then click the Strikethrough button in the Home tab. Now let's look at Subscript and Superscript. These are often used in math, science, or footnotes. Superscript makes the text smaller and raises it above the line. To apply them, select your text and then the Home tab. From the font group, select Superscript. You can also use shortcut. For Superscript it is Ctrl+Shift= on Windows. Subscript makes the text smaller and lowers it below the line. To apply them, select your text and then the Home tab. From the font group, Subscript. Finally, let's talk about highlighting. Highlighting text is a great way to draw attention to keywords, phrases, or important parts of your document. To highlight, select your text, then go to the Home tab and click the Text Highlight Color button, which looks like a marker. Clicking it will apply the default color, usually yellow. If you want more options, click the drop-down arrow to pick from different highlight colors. All these options except highlight can also be found in the detailed menu of font. Click on the small arrow in the right corner of the font group, and you can see the superscript, subscript, and other options like double strike and others. And that's it. You now know how to apply bold, italics, underline, strikethrough, subscript, superscript, and highlighting in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.